Okay, hello everyone, my name is Zevanya, and today at this chance I want to tell to all of us about how to be a good software developer. This material is based on my personal opinion and my little research. Many of us want to get a job with a high salary. If you was looking for it, software developer is one of the answers. So, what is software developer when we heard about it? Software developer is a job based on information technology, where their main job is to create and develop a software from zero to complete. They make sure the software they create and develop is run fine and efficient. Not only creating a software, but they test a software that are under development. They diagnose the error or bugs from the software, try to find problem solving from the error they found, and repair it so the error or bug is not happen again. Moreover, they create planning and design for a new system. They define the specification of the system, how the system will be built, and what the user want from the system, and many more. The software developer job in software developing process includes 5 points, like the performance. They make sure the software is run in a stable performance, depends on the user. And then the maintainability. They make sure the software is maintainable in every kind of situation. And then the scalability. They make sure the software can be used in a large scale of user. And then the endurance, they make sure the software is can be run in a long period of time. And last is the security. They make sure the software is secure from the hacker or virus maybe, so the user that use the application of the software feel more comfortable. And then the software developer is not only includes one person, but in general software developer work as a team, so they was incorporated in several another software developer. So software developer jobs is depends on the technology, so a software developer should keep learning so they can adapt to the very rapid technological development in this era. Okay, the next topic that we will talk is about the main job of the software developer. In general, the job description of software developer includes 5 big points. The first one is about plan and design a software or system. Before the software or system was built, they should define how the software will build, what the user expects from the software, what kind of data will be processed by the system, and the output that expected by the user. Create a schedule and timeline for system building so the development process can be done in a structured and clear manner. All team members can follow the software development process well. The second one is create and developing the software. This section is include the coding process, the creating a program, creating a database, create the software based on the software requirement that made in the planning process. The third one is testing the software. This process might be done in a parallel with the create and developing process. When the software has been built, we need to test the software to identify the errors and bugs, to define the crack we made in the software, and find the solution for the error and bugs we found. This process is done many times until the error and bugs are reduced. The fourth one is documenting the software. Software developer needs to documentate the software, define the procedure how the software is operated, define the troubleshooting for problems that might be happen in the software. Moreover, software developer needs to documentate every updates that happen in a period of time. The last one is maintain and repair the software. Software developer must always be ready when a problem occurs in the software that has been published. The problem that might be happen generally such as a server down, connection problem, and many more. Software developer need to solve this problem so the software can be run again normally. Okay, so we have defined what is a software developer and their general job. Now, what skill we should have to be a good software developer? I have summarized it to 6 big points. The first one is problem solving skill. Problem solving is very important for software developer. We will face many problems in developing software, even the problem that we never expect before. This problem we face is need to be solved so the software can be run more efficient. To train our problem solving skill, improving logic skill will be good for us to train our way of thinking in every kind of situation. The second one is able to work as a team. Software developer can be done alone, but in team we can do developing process more efficiently. We can get more input and suggestion from our team. We can do a lot of job at once in one team. A good communication is very important so the other teammates can understand what we mean when we talk each other. The third one is detail-oriented work. In a software development process, the slightest error can affect the whole software or system. So, as a software developer, we should pay attention to every detail of code or programs that we made before it was too late to realize our mistake. The next one is master at least one programming language. This point will be the most important abilities to be a good software developer. There's a lot of programming language that you can learn. For example, if you want to focus on web application, you can learn about the PHP, JavaScript, HTML, and the other framework that are available. If you want to focus on desktop application, you can learn VB.NET or maybe Java and many other programming language. You don't need to take a course for formal learning to master it, because there is a lot of tutorials and forums discuss about programming language on the internet. So, don't be afraid to learn about it. The last one is master a software testing. Test a software, in my opinion, is one of the most challenging process on software developing. We should try to find the error and bugs that might be happen, even the error and bugs we never expected when we build it. We need to creating an environment close to the real case of application, creating the dummy data for the application trial, so we can trial the application like it have been published. Okay, so we have discussed many things about software developers, from their definition, their jobs, and the skill we have to have as a software developer. So from the planning process, design, execution, testing process, documentation, and maintenance process, software developers hold the most important role in the whole software developing process. To be a good software developer, we need to have a problem-solving skill, we have to be able to work as a team, we have to detail-oriented working, and then master at least one programming language, and the last one is understand the software testing. So, that's all for me about how to be a good software developer. I hope this presentation, this material can help you that watch this presentation if you want to be a good software developer. Thank you for your attention, and goodbye.